Hi, this is Todd Dover with EXFO Test Equipment. What I wanted to show you today was a new product that we launched this week at the SET Cable-Tec show in Denver. This is our combined CWDM and DWDM OTDR into our FTB1 platform. As you'll see, we have two OTDRs here. One's for CWDM, one's for DWDM. So you're able to run active tests out of each module at the same time if you need to for different technology types that may be in your network. The reason that we brought this out was, early on we had customers that were doing migration from CWDM to DWDM, and we always had individual kits available for that. We first launched CWDM several years ago. DWDM was launched a year and a half ago. That DWDM is a full tunable DWDM OTDR into the C-band. The CWDM module is a module that can do all 18 wavelengths in the CWDM spectrum. But now what we've had is we've had customers that have said, okay, we are migrating to DWDM on our network, but we have an existing CWDM plant. So we need to be flexible and have the ability to test all facets of our network. So what we've been able to do is to give them a migration path that allows them to go and test CWDM that they have in their network today, but also be future-proofed with their equipment that'll allow them to test DWDM either that they're already deploying today or if they're planning on it in the future. Some customers are buying this as just a future-proof application, meaning that, hey, we're going to be launching DWDM in 2018, and we want to be prepared for that. So instead of buying equipment that's isolated just for one particular technology, now we're able to be future-proofed and have that technology available next year with the budget that we're spending this year. So this unit here, it's got both our OTDR and our IOLM technology. The OTDR is what everybody's familiar with, which is standard OTDR tracing. Full auto, real-time modes, standard event tables that everybody is used to, that OTDRs have been that way for many years. But then we also have our advanced IOLM, which is the Intelligent Optical Link Mapper, which is a multi-pulse acquisition test. We're going to go in and run multiple acquisitions, varying all the settings, so that way we get full granularity and we eliminate the dead zones that come with testing on traditional OTDRs. We also have it to where it's a little bit easier to understand. It has our function to do diagnostics and tell the technician where the issue is. So by applying this onto the CWDM and DWDM OTDRs, we take a novice technician and make them an expert very quickly. This limits the amount of training that has to be done, the amount of oversight that has to be done, because now our carrier customers can standardize on specific configurations. They can save those configurations on their units, import them and export them out to all of their teams to make sure everybody is testing to the same standard. So this is very critical, especially on high-density DWDM networks, to make sure that, okay, you're providing the testing, but do you know what's really good and what's bad, and what's going to allow our system to perform at the optimal level. So we've released this now into our FTB1 platform. So this is one of the smallest OTDRs on the market for both CWDM and DWDM.